in that car, and Dana White's somewhere here. And the pace truck's gonna pull off, and we're going racing. I had to cut the volume up. I don't know if OBS picks it up. I think it does. Yeah. I don't really know many of the drivers compared to Cup, so it's gonna be an interesting race. I think the school was my fault. I don't even know if they're gonna wreck. That's the problem with those. Dang, this 13's slow. Who even is that? That's Kevin Combs, I think. Okay, Mitch Gales is slow. Okay, we're gonna triple pack though. They're gonna get 40 laps. Oh, Waltrip's gotta get left. Oh, LeBron, what are you doing? So we made it 2 laps. This inside lane's crazy. And it's a 3-car tandem draft right now. Okay, this is some of the weirdest racing I've ever seen. This pack should catch up to him in a second. Is Mitch Gales gone, or I think Mitch is gonna lose it. The 7 might keep it in the draft though. So we got about 28-ish cars. Oh, what the heck? That's way less cars than I thought. So probably like 20 or 25 that's in the pack. 26, maybe, if that 7 catches it. But I got a feeling that there's gonna be a crash, hopefully at least, in this pack eventually. As well, that 21 did not look like it was gonna work. That 3's paint scheme is nice. Who is that? I have no idea who this is. That's, yeah, that's Newman. I'm 99% sure it's Newman. What is he doing? Yeah, as you can say, it's a very dumb dude. We got 3-car breakaway. This is some trash racing we're seeing at Daytona. What the crap? Crafting belt just went off the race bumper. A lot of cars just left the track. The caution's out. I don't know if I wasn't paying attention, but there was a wreck. He got shoved down, and just a slight little tap. He should be able to continue the race. Maybe some door damage in the right rear. These cars are pretty tough. It's gonna save Gales, and I don't think they're saving that dude. As they should be doing pit stops now. Yep. Don't know how many of them's pitting and how many's staying out. It's only a 40 lapper, so not many should pit. I'd feel like. Yep. Actually, there's more than I thought. Staying out. Yeah, there's a lot more staying out than I thought there would be. 18 was your leader, and he should still be your leader. Okay, he's getting right sides. Say he's just getting right sides if he's getting tires. Yeah, just right sides. Good stop for him. Good stop for Waltrip, I think. don't think he was that close to the front. I know he was, but I knew he was there. So it'll be interesting to see these two cars, Mitch Gales and Kevin Combs, yeah, that's the name. In this pack. So we're gonna cut the commercial break until the green flag comes out. Back from commercial break because Crafton and the 08 are going down pit lane now. And another car in the back. I don't know why exactly. And the 36 is getting damages fixed still. Did he go lap down? He is now 2 laps down, yeah. And yeah, I don't know if they just had a miscommunication or what. I really don't understand why Crafton did that. I don't understand why he's getting passed right now either. So now he's supposed to be in front of him. I guess we'll never know. So we're gonna go back to commercial break until this. I just had a stroke. Yeah, we'll be back. Okay. As we're gonna go green. Oh yeah, so 2002, or I mean 3 and stuff like restart rules. Single file, then lap cars rules. Actually, I don't even know if that was the rule back then. I don't freaking know. I know it was single file, but I don't know if they had the lap rule inside. And that also goes for overtime. There will be no overtime because overtime is fun but retarded. I mean restarted, my fault, guys. Can't let that slip anymore. We're green again. I might fall asleep. I'm curious to see how the 13 does because he was slow as crap. Where's the 13 truck? It's right here. Yeah, he's slow. Good lord. Same with Mitch. There might just be 2 backs. Unless they can get around him. I think they are going to. That's 30. Oh, 33 is still weird. Okay. So, yes, the 33 was one of the. Oh, we got 2 cars. 3 cars around in the infield. They all saved except for one. Will that bring out the yellow? I don't think it will. No, it won't. Dang. Let's go, W officials. Rest in peace to the dude that spun out there. Okay, yeah, these cars got stuck back there. That 3 is real slow, I feel like. This whoa craft, and that was scary. Oh, we got another car around us. The 91 hard into the wall. It's clipped. 7 hits the wall. Oh my god. LeBron. Oh, we got a car upside down. It's the 08. Don't know who he is. Heavy damage to LeBron James and that 91 machine. LeBron James. First career start. I think that's going to end his day pretty early. Let's go take a look what happened. Okay, so the 2's hooked to his bumper. Oh, the 51 got shot down. And he got it saved, and then. Ugh. That was a very bad hit right there. So he's spinning. And then this hit right here, I know that hurt, but it wasn't like the driver's side. This hit from LeBron, he got turned into a Beyblade. And just bam. LeBron got sent backwards into that dude. And then this 08 just goes tumbling. It's going to end all 3 of their days, I think. And it's going to have. I don't know if it'll end that 5's day right there. don't think it will. No, I think he has damage though. Actually, I hope he has damage. He just smacked a freaking car. Don't know if he has damage. He also was involved. So there's Ricky Bobby cutting the corner. As we have a bunch of takers on the pit road. Yeah, only one car standing out. Looks like. I think Stewart held up that one dude. That's John Jones on 50. He was involved in that accident. Don't think he got damage from it. And yeah, he's not gonna win out of pit road. Waltrip, his pit crew has been on it. There's now a pit stops over there. I do want to go back and look at that first crash again from LeBron's vehicle. Okay, so we're chilling. We're in this back of the pack, just trying to get some experience in because it's first ever race. There's a wreck. I don't know if LeBron thought he's gonna stay high or what. That's just a really big hit though. For that 16. I really don't know what he was thinking. It could have been a lack of communication between the spotter. I don't know if the spotters are rookie. I will have to look at that. I don't think he would be there, but he could be a rookie. And yeah, that truck is just dumb. Okay, we're going back green pretty soon. Yeah. Wait, LeBron's day is not done, apparently. Okay, now that leaderboard's messed up. I guess, I don't know what's wrong with leaderboard. That's weird. Yeah, LeBron is not on track. I guess he was last lap. He's not even been road. His day is done. Oh, I'm looking at fastest laps. I am retarded. I'm actually stupid. I'm sorry, guys. That was. Okay, yeah, LeBron is done. He's still beating 36, though. As we're going back green, Waltrip's gonna lead us off. Due to his pit crew being the best pit crew in freaking existence. So we're green, and that lap truck just getting out the way. Respect. Okay. Well, I think I lied. Come on, Unc, hop to the top. Go to the top lane, you're gonna cause a wreck. Nope. Okay, yeah, good job. 99's kinda dumb. I would've went down with the gang, but nah. Oh, I thought Gunnar Hushman in the 67 was gonna clip Stewart. We're good though. This is gonna cause a wreck. This lapper's gonna cause a crash, I know he is. Please just stay on top. I didn't like that. Okay. Oh no. He just tried to clear himself. I'm sorry for not showing the racing up front. I don't want him to kill someone and me not see it. And now the 29 got off to a huge lead. We're gonna be. Yo, the 29's juiced. Through 3 wide for 4th. It's not where you want to be. Outside with no help. Even with help, you don't want to be there. In my opinion. I love the bottom at Super Speedways. I can see something now, they're good. Let me take a look at what's happening in the back. Okay. That car did get shuffled out completely fine. It's Gales is in the draft. That's good. Good for him. Oh my goodness. The rookie. Gunnar Hushman in third. What a performance. And not so good equipment. As you can tell, there's not a single sponsor on that truck. And he's going to move to the inside. That's actually a good move. I would have done the same. And then that 53 is going to get shuffled all the way back, maybe. If Gunnar Hushman can stay up here, which his pit crew is not good, so next pit stop. Don't really know if it's going to go good for them. And this wall trip about just got turned in the back. Oh no. Newman, look out. 4 wide, it looks like, in the back. Yeah, indeed, they are 4 wide. Never mind, back to 3 wide. As they're still 3 wide for that spot. As here comes Gunnar Hushman. He might lead a lap in his first career race at Daytona. If he will hold the bottom. No, he's not going to lead a lap. That must be lack of experience right there getting to him. And yeah, that's just not a good, that's not, it's even worse move that he just did right there. Actually, he might have a little more help. Here comes 18 again. Don't know who drives that. Oh, it's Dick Trickle. I'm actually stupid. Oh. This inside lane is fast. As yeah, no, Gunnar Hushman did get cycled all the way back like I said he would. Now what's happening in this? Oh wait. Okay, he just cut off. What's happening in the second pack? They're chilling. Okay. Gunnar Hushman gets back in the inside lane like I said he should have. And the 4 is going to be making a move to the inside. I don't know if he's not going to have any help. I don't know who that is. And Newman's going to cut to the inside. I will try to have a sign-up sheet for the truck series somewhere in the bio of the YouTube channel probably. And yeah, no, Gunnar Hushman doing a good job of getting back to the front after he got shuffled out. As some of these trucks are part-time, and one of them that I know is not here, but will be racing part-time is Cletus McFarland, which is really surprising not to see him at a super speedway, but I know he'll be at next week's race, from what I understand. And he did the same crap. I don't know when that happened, I wasn't paying attention, but he went to the top. He needs to stop doing that. And we haven't had a wreck in a while. This is good racing, guys. Cleanest race I've ever watched in this game. Just take a look at what happened in the old races. Now that we're starting a new season, we are going to finish the season. Because I have plenty of free time. And yeah, I need stuff to do, so I'll make these videos and I'll do points. We'll do actual points instead of the ultra playoff. I'm just going to have AI do that though. This 3 is slow. Mitch Gales keeping up with the draft. Oh, wow. They might get lapped. They're gonna get lapped. They could cause a crash. This racing is getting very squiggly. Getting some big runs too now. Don't necessarily have to make green flag pit stops. I don't remember what I had the pit stops to, so could see pit stops soon. I'd say around like, I don't even know. I really don't. I'm recording this in the middle of the night. I'm sleepy. So yeah, I don't remember what I said anything to. Also, my back's hurt. Must have said a different way. We got John Johnson second. And the 4 car, don't even know. Yo, my back's actually broken. That's bad. Gus Donkey said on me. Real OGs know that. Okay, yeah. More tandem drafting up front, and then we got the little mini pack. I don't think the pack's big enough to wreck at the moment. And here we go, sink file racing. This is what I was telling you to do if you want to keep your position, but it's not very entertaining. There we go, now we're shuffling out the straightaways at least. They are bumper to bumper. Whoa, Crafton went way high. I like Newman's trap right now. He's stuck to the bottom. I'm gonna say that, he's gonna go high right here. Watch it, I know he's gonna go high. I told you. I'm a wizard. As we're gonna be 3 wide per second. And yeah, that 4 car is just doing a good job managing the gap. Was those skid marks there earlier? I think they were. As we are catching lap traffic now. I don't know why they're too wide. Please single file out. Please. Uh-oh. Oh, that's gonna be bad. How did the 13 get damaged? That dude's been sitting in the back all day. That's gonna open up for the 18. Dick trickle back to the pole. Why did I say pole? Let's say top. I was gonna say lead. Look, man, I'm not good at this stuff yet. As we got. Who is this? That's Carl Edwards, really? He raced a freaking plain white truck back in the day? That's surprising. John. Oh, not John Jones. That's John Jones, yeah. That is Paul Terry. That is my goat. Paul Terry's in the lead. I just now realized that's Paul Terry. Did they break that back up even more? Okay, yeah. Race is going to be caution free from here on out. I'm calling it. Unless this back. Oh, what am I doing? I just had a misclick. Box. Unless this pack. Okay, now that pack could catch up. Maybe. Possible. Who's in the 2? Is that Michael Martini? Sounds familiar. Could be him. We're 3 wide in the back. I'm gonna be honest, the Cup Series is gonna be way more entertaining. 42 car field. I think there's only 28 in this. You know, I thought I had it set to 31. Guess I did not. It looks like they're gonna catch back up. How quick are they going? In the turn 196 is pretty quick. Actually, no, they're not going that quick. That sprint car is going 201 here and there. Dick Trickles has led a lot of laps today. Ford's got the fastest lap point so far. Oh yeah, I haven't talked about the point system, but it's pretty simple. It's 50 for a win, and then 45, and it just goes down. Wait, no. It's 45 and 43. It's one of the two. So winning these races matter a lot. These drafting tracks are kind of random. I see the packs group back together. Pretty short race. Which, I mean, it's a truck series. Didn't want to sit here forever just for a truck series race. But yeah, I thought they'd wreck a little more. I don't know where that second back is. Are we gonna lap the second back? Okay, no. That 3 fell all the way back. There's something wrong with that 3 car. They're gonna hit that. Whoa, that was risky. There's another lap car coming up. I don't know who it is. Oh, it's Gales. Mitch Gales did lose the draft. That's sad to see. Mitch, please go high. Please. Or stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low. No, Paul Terry's gonna get on him. Oh, and Newman, what is he doing? Take a lane. Oh, he's around. Mitch Gales is around. Paul Terry. Darrell Waltrip. Look out. What? What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm looking back at it. Mitch Gales just had a complete brain fart. Turns himself while he's a lap down. Paul Terry spins. Think he's fine. No damage. No damage. Just wait. Maybe they had a beef that I didn't know about. Dang. Paul Terry should be able to continue this race. And Mitch Gales also should be able to. That is some of the dumbest crap I've ever seen in my life. That could be suspension worthy. And I just lagged. Okay, no, Mitch had more damage on the fault. Where is our pace truck? There it is. As who was your leader? The 18 of Dick Trickle was the leader, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it appears to be, yeah. Dick Trickle was your leader. Stewart second. Mike, Mike Martini? Yeah, something like that. It was just dirt. It was a pace truck dirt track, and this 7 car's got such a nice paint scheme. Paul Terry, got a feel for him. Rough day. I mean, he didn't do nothing wrong there. Just flat out got turned. And we're gonna cut to his radio real quick. That was interesting words for Paul Terry. Didn't know he was a hothead like that. Cause we should go back green. But yeah, I don't think the lead takers. No, everybody stayed out. And there is 21 cars on the lead lap. As Gale's out. Gales has retired from this race. Wouldn't be surprised if race control had parked him. Absolutely destroying Paul Terry's truck. Actually, didn't really destroy it, just took the little, gave him a little aero disadvantage on the door. So would got my fellow commentator Crispy to explain that on how aerodynamics work, but I didn't pay him enough and he left for the truck race. Hopefully he'll be back for Cup. If not, I might have to get an AI to be my co-commentator for the Daytona. I don't even know how many laps it's gonna be. I haven't really decided. These trucks look like they're sideways. Looks like they're losing grip from going. We'll cut back to the lights out on the base. As the lights are out on the space truck, we're gonna go over your top 5 or 10. I don't know all the drivers. So we got Dick Trickle. I do know that one because I earlier. Tony Steweezer P2. We got Mike Martini. Something like that. His last name's Martini, I don't know. Carl Edwards in the blank truck. Bobby Hamilton. Sound familiar? I don't know. Ryan Newman, Gunnar Hushman, Wayne Briggs, Waltrip, and Shepard Berry, or Shep Berry, is what most people call him. And Crafton's in the 11th, John Jones. Yeah, there's Paul Terry from earlier's wreck. How was the 13? He's gotta be a couple laps down. Okay, that's gonna really mess up this restart. This is your lead back, up to where 13's at pretty much. Maybe 36. Didn't see much. Steweezer just sold. I mean Stewart. Here we go. Gonna be real aggressive here. Caution will end the race. Caution will end the race. And we're gonna make sure they haven't wrecked. And they haven't worked good. Please don't win for it, because I don't even know your name. Bobby Hamilton, something like that. I think if you do win, I'm going to change your name to Bobby Hamilton. Oh, we got Pitters. Newman. Oh, no, the rookie. The rookie's going to have to come down pit lane. They must have had a gas. Wait. That means his leaders could be low on fuel. If they didn't pit earlier, I don't know who hasn't. Very bad strategy call. As here we go, coming up on 1 to go this time by. We got Stewart in second. Actually, technically not, but he's gonna be in second because the outside lane absolutely sucks. I could see John Jones stealing one here. If they wreck, it's race back. 3 wide for second. Will anyone get to the 4? No help down there for the 53. Isn't the fastest lane though. You can't make that gap for the 4. You can't make it too big, or they will catch you. Oh, John Jones is gonna shuffle them out. Will they be able to get to the 4? I don't think they're going to. They're slow. They're not working together at all. Yeah. Bobby Hamilton, I think is his name. He will come out victorious. What a win for this team. P2 John Jones did say he could sneak one out, but I guess he didn't. And yeah, heartbreaking day for these dudes. Had to pit. Did these guys wreck? No. And yeah, good race, guys. Not too many crashes. Also enough crashes. But yeah. We're gonna go over where everyone finished. So we had